Welcome back to our channel. Today we're doing part 2 of our Daiso video. If you saw our video yesterday, then you saw that we went to the Daiso store and we found some squishies, and we also found some cool stuff to make slime. So today we're going to be making the slime. If you haven't seen yesterday's video, then make sure you go check it out. There will be a link in the description and a card in the eye somewhere up here. And before we get started, make sure you subscribe and follow us on Instagram. Let's do this. Okay, so at Daiso they had these two chocolate bun squishies. We got this one to cut up to put in the slime, and then we got one with a smiley face on it. Now here's the squishy. What we got for the glue is this peel-off face mask with PVA in it, and I'm hoping that it is clear because I have some watercolor to color it, but I think it's charcoal, so let's just do this. And dang it. It is a charcoal face mask. Ooh, that's so pretty. Not me with the slime. We also got the second peel off face mask just in case this isn't enough, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. I think that's good enough. So now I'm gonna activate this slime, and at the Daiso store I got this soap dispenser, and I put in here, I put contact lens solution, baking soda, Tide free and clear, and liquid starch. So hopefully it'll activate. And I also got this bowl from the Daiso store. I got everything here from the Daiso store except the activator and the stirring stick. It's working. It's working. I like the soap dispenser idea. Coming together very nicely. It looks a little chunky, but it's coming together. I think it needs a little bit more. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with my hand now. Okay, this feels so weird. I've never made face mask slime, even though I once got a face mask to make slime with, but I still don't. Oh, it feels so weird. Okay.
It's like tar.
I know. Tar slime. That's good. It's coming together. It's finally coming off of me. It's still a little sticky though.
Another pump?
Half a pump.
That's half a pump.
That's good. That's half a pump. See? Now you know what half a pump is. I love teaching people about slime. Sometimes it can be hard, but it's really fun. Ooh, this is like a really thick slime. It feels like a butter slime, but it's not. It feels like really fluffy, like a fluffy slime. Like a super duper fluffy slime. Okay, so I got the bowl all clean, and I got my scissors. I'm gonna cut this squishy up into pieces into the bowl, and I'm gonna do it like slime ASMR, where people drizzle the slime onto the jelly cubes and then mix it. It's gonna be so satisfying. So let's start cutting this up. So first we're gonna cut off the keychain. Yeah, we don't need that in our slime. Okay, now we can start cutting it. Start cutting it into little strips, and then I'll cut it into cubes. It's so satisfying when you cut it though. the squishy is cut up into cubes, and I separated some of the slime. I took away a little bit just in case it's too much, so it's better to be safe than sorry, because we can always add this back in, but we can't take slime out. So let's do the ASMR now. So I'm gonna just bunch it up, and I'm gonna spread it out. Now let's drizzle. Look at this slime. Okay, I think I need the other half of slime. So I'm just gonna add this in. So this is our jelly cube slime. Now it's not super stretchy because the squishy pieces are soaking up all the moisture. Oh, that's nice and stretchy. I love that you can just squish the squishies while they're in the slime, and it's like really satisfying because they're like slow rising. So this is our Daiso slime, and I really recommend this, even though it's not going to be that stretchy afterwards. It's really fun to make and satisfying. Let us know any other cool squishy or slime video ideas, and don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.